Hello learners, here I am with my new video on share and dividends, and we are going to start question number 15 of exercise 3. This is Amal Agrawal book for standard 10. So let's read. Ajay owns 560 shares of a company. This is the number of shares, okay. The face value of each share is rupees 25. So clearly it is written face value of one share is rupees 25, okay. The company declares a dividend of 9%. So this is dividend percent. Calculate the dividend that Ajay will get and then the rate of interest, okay, on his investment if Ajay has paid rupees 30 for each share, okay. So this is 2007 board question, children. See how I have solved it. Given that number of shares is this, face value is given, dividend percent is given, so directly we will put all these value in this formula of dividend, that is dividend percent upon 100 into face value into number of shares. These all data is given, so we just put the value and solve it. 9%, 925 rupees face value of one share, and number of shares 560. So we calculated and we got that this is equals to rupees 1260. This is the dividend earned by Ajay. Now see, second question, there is a twist. We have to find out what rate of interest, that is rate of return. We use that formula, okay. So first of all, what we will do, market value of each share, because that person Ajay bought these shares at the cost of rupees 30 per share, so that means that is market value of each share, so that is rupees 30. So total investment done by Ajay was what? It is market value into number of shares. So market value of each share is 30 and number of shares is 560. So that is equals to 16,800 rupees. It means that person's total investment is rupees 60,800 rupees. And what is the formula of rate of interest? This is dividend by total investment into 100. What is dividend? Dividend just now we have calculated, that is 1260 divided by total investment. This is 16,800 into 100. Then we calculated it, and after calculation we got the answer. This is 1/2%. So try to understand. In different questions the data is given in twisted form. Here directly it is not written that this is market value. The line was in this way written that if Ajay has paid rupees 30 for each share, you have to understand this rupees 30 is actually market value for Ajay, okay, for each value, each share, okay. So in this way we will solve question number 15. Now see question number 16. A company with 10,000 shares, this is number of shares, of nominal value and V or face value, both are same, is equals to rupees 100, declares an annual dividend of 8%. This is dividend percent to the shareholders, okay. Calculate the total amount of dividend paid by the company. So we will put the value, because we know that dividend is equals to dividend percent upon 100 into face value or nominal value into number of shares. So all the data is given, so we will calculate and we will get the answer. Second sub question is, Ramesh bought 90 shares, not 10,000. Out of these 10,000, Ramesh bought 90 shares of the company at rupees 150 per share. This is the market value of the share, okay. Calculate the dividend he received. So we will calculate dividend once again. This dividend is for 90 shares and first dividend was for 10,000 shares. So first of all we have to calculate the dividend received and percentage return on his investment, okay. So let's see how we'll solve the sum. Number of shares is equals to 10,000, okay. Face value is rupees 100, dividend percent is 8%. So total amount of dividend for 10,000 share is what? We just written the formula and put the value. Dividend percent was 8, face value was 100 and number of shares was 10,000. So we 100 cancel, and so this is 80,000. This dividend is for 10,000 shares. Now we are talking about, what was the name of the person? Ramesh. Ramesh bought 90 shares. So we will talk about 90 shares, okay. What was his investment? Because market value of shares for him was 150. He bought each share at the cost of 150. So this is the market value of one share. So how much money he has invested? So I have written his total investment is what? 90 shares into cost of each share, that is market value into number of shares. So 150 into 90 is what? It is 13,500 rupees. This is his total investment. So what is his dividend? How much income he earned from 90 shares. So again we will find out dividend he earned is equals to 8 per, again dividend percent upon 100 into face value of the share into number of shares. So I have written 8 upon 100 into 100 into 90. See, there we have written the 8% into 100, but there were number of shares was 10,000. Here number of shares is 90. So 100 cancelled and 8 9 is 72. So here is 720. So his earning as dividend is 720 rupees. Now percentage return or rate of return, for that what we are doing, dividend upon his total investment into 100. How much dividend he earned? 720. Okay, and what was his total investment? That was 13,500. So we have written here in 200, and when we calculated it, this is equals to 16 by 3, that is 5 whole 1 by 3%. This is his percentage return. Okay, so these are the three answers. First answer 80,000, second answer 720 rupees dividend earned by Rajesh, and his return percentage 5 1 by 3%. I hope your answer is clear. So in this video, upload this question. Bye bye everyone.